So I always hate to sound like an alarmist, but well, climate change is real, and winter hasn't officially started yet, but in Hawaii it's about to, real quick, in a couple of days. There's a blizzard advisory in effect for Hawaii. You could possibly get 12 inches of snow in the next few days in Hawaii. That's not manageable for Hawaii. But what really sounds very ominous about this blizzard that Hawaii is going to get, the wind gust is predicted to be 100 miles per hour. Don't go outside if you're in Hawaii for the next couple of weeks. Stock up on whatever you need if you're in Hawaii right now. I hope they have emergency services for the individuals who are homeless. There's a lot of homeless people in Hawaii. They need to be put into shelters, hotels, motels immediately. Nobody is going to survive 100-mile-per-hour wind gusts and 12 inches of snow all at the same time. No, not if you're in a house. No. I hope the whole state and the federal government is moving to activate on this. Hawaii. That's the place that all of us go to during the winter holidays to get away from the snow. And this year, you can't go to Hawaii. Not right now. And maybe not for a while to come. Buckle down, Hawaii. We're all with you. If you absolutely, it's got to be life-threatening for you to go outside your house if you're in Hawaii on the Big Island. This is where the storm is going to most likely hit, and it's coming quickly. Hawaii, stay home, stay safe. If your house gets damaged, that's one thing. Shelter in place if you can get to lower elevation. Like if you have a basement, I'm not sure what the structure of housing is like in Hawaii. Get into shelter. Good luck, Hawaii. Stay home. Get everybody off the street. Stay home if you're in